In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com CRM, manage leads, pipelines, tickets, and more 5 minutes. We'll go from a blank account to a working CRM you can use to track leads, manage deals, and automate follow-ups, all in a clean, organized workspace. First, log into your Monday.com account so you land on your main dashboard. This is your command center. We're creating a dedicated space for CRM, so look for the More Options menu, often shown as a three dots icon near your workspaces or sidebar. Open that menu and choose the option to add a new workspace. This keeps your CRM neatly separated from other projects and makes permissions and navigation simpler. Give your workspace a clear descriptive name that everyone will recognize, like Sales CRM or Customer Operations, and then confirm by adding the workspace. A consistent naming convention now will save confusion later, especially as your team and boards grow. Inside the new workspace, choose Start with a template. Templates accelerate setup and provide best practice structures you can tweak. From the template center, pick the CRM product. Select the pre-built options for leads, contacts, and deals. Think of these as connected boards. Leads capture new prospects, contacts store people and companies, and deals track opportunities through your pipeline stages. If a template includes stages you don't use, you can rename or hide them after import. Now, bring in your data. If you already have a spreadsheet, import it via CSV and map each column to the right fields such as name, email, company, stage, and owner. Clean your file first for consistent formatting, especially emails and dates, to avoid duplicates. If you're just getting started, you can add entries manually to test your flow before importing the full list. Next, tailor the boards with custom columns to match your business. Add fields like deal value, probability, source, next activity, or region. Then, set automation rules to remove manual busy work. For example, when a deal's status moves to qualified, automatically assign the sales rep and set a follow-up date. When a deal is won, move it to closed and notify finance. Keep automation simple at first so they're easy to maintain. Finally, connect your communication tools. Link your email to send and track messages directly from items. Integrate scheduling apps like Calendly to create meetings without back and forth. And connect Slack to push real-time updates to your team channels. After connecting, test with a sample lead to confirm emails log correctly and notifications fire as expected. That's it. Your Monday.com CRM is ready to manage leads, pipelines, tickets, and more with clarity and speed.